Hello friends, today in this video I will show you fix mail and calendar error code is 0x8007139f on Windows 10 or 11. So it is very easy to fix this problem in mail. So firstly you need to search settings and open it. So simply type settings and open it. And here you see this privacy and security. Click on it. You see this email, so click on it. Now you see this mail and calendar, so this is turn off position. So simply click on it and turn on this mail and calendar. This is turn off, so click on it and turn off and close it. So your problem will be fixed. If does not fix, so open settings. Now click on apps, install apps, click on it. Now here you need to search mail and calendar. Simply search. Yeah, this one, mail and calendar. Click on these three dots. Advanced option, click on it. And here you see this permissions. Now scroll down and click on reset. And again click on reset. And firstly try to repair this mail and calendar. So firstly repair this mail and calendar. Click on repair and repair it and close it and restart your PC or laptop. So after repair you need to restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you need to reset your mail and calendar. You need to repair, so now reset it. Firstly repair and reset your computer or PC, and after restart your problem will be fixed. If does not fix, so same method you need to restart this app. So after restart you need to close it and restart your PC or laptop again. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. If does not fix, so again open settings, apps, install apps, click on it, and again search this mail and calendar. Click on these three dots, click on uninstall, again click on uninstall, and uninstall this mail and calendar app. Now close it. After uninstall, open your Microsoft Store. So firstly you need to search mail and calendar. You see this mail and calendar, click on it. So here you see this get option. In my case some problem will be showing. In your case this is here you see this get option, so click on get and install this mail and calendar. And after installing complete, so your problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.